Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be drafting a basic bodice pattern for a little girl. Hi, my name is Ayo and I'm reaching you from Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: French curve, set square, tape measure. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I'll be using my marker pen, a pair of paper scissors, calculator, pattern paper. I'll be working with the following measurements: shoulder to shoulder 9 inches, around neck measurements, around neck 11 inches, around chest measurements 23 inches, around waist measurements 21 inches, shoulder to waist or belly button 9 inches, dress length 26 inches. So the first thing I will do is to estimate the around chest measurement plus 1.5 inches for the ease divided by 2, which is equal to 23 inches plus 1.5 divided by 2, which gave me 12.25 inches. So I've already drawn 2 inches margin on the left and at the top of the pattern paper. So I will measure 12.25 inches on the top margin and I will mark the points. I will mark the point like this. Then I will square down the line like this. The length that will be used is the shoulder to belly button measurement or the shoulder to waist measurement, which is 9 inches. So I measure this value downwards from the top margin like this. I will now draw the line across like this to form a rectangle. What I will do now is to locate the middle points of both the lower and the upper lines. I will mark the points. I will mark the middle point for both the lower and the upper lines. I will now connect the 2 points together with a straight line like this. So this side will be the center back, while this other side will be the center front. So what I will do now is to draw the shoulder line. And the shoulder line is 1 inch away from the starting line for both the back and the front pattern. I will square the line across like this. I will now calculate the armhole or the chest line by dividing the around chest measurement by 4, which is equal to 23 all over 4, which gave me 5.75 inches. I will now measure 5.75 inches from the starting line downwards like this. I will mark the points. I will now connect the points together with a straight line. I will square out the line like this. The next thing to do is to divide the shoulder to shoulder measurement by 2, which is 9 all over 2, which gave me 4.5 inches. I will now measure 4.5 inches on the shoulder line, starting from the center back and the center front, respectively. The next thing to do is to estimate the front neck width using the formula neck circumference plus 1 inch for ease divided by 6, which gave me 11 plus 1 all over 6, which is equal to 2 inches. For the neck depth, I will add 0.5 inch to the neck width value which we calculated earlier, which gave me 2 plus 0.5, which is equal to 2.5 inches. So the front neck dimension will be 2 inches by 2.5 inches. I will now draw the neck curve using a French curve like this. For the back neckline, I will use the same neck width that I used for the front, which is 2 inches, and I will mark the 2 inches. For the back neck depth, I will use 1 inch. I will now draw the back neckline using the French curve like this. I will now connect the neck point to the shoulder point using slanted lines for both the back and the front patterns. I will now square the shoulder points down to the chest or armhole line using dashed lines for both the back and the front patterns. What I will do now is to estimate the chest circumference plus 1 inch for ease divided by 4. The chest plus 1 all over 4 gave me 23 plus 1 all over 4, which is equal to 6 inches. I will now measure 6 inches on the armhole line, also known as the chest line, starting from the center back and the center front respectively. I will mark the points like this. I mark the 6 inches like this on the armhole line. I will now locate the middle point of the dashed line for the back pattern. I will go in by 1/4 of an inch, and I will mark the 1/4 of an inch. Then I will connect it to the shoulder tip like this. I will now curve this lower part using my French curve. For the front, I will also locate the middle point of the dashed line. Then I will go in by 1/2 an inch. I will now connect it to the shoulder tip like this. I will now curve the lower parts using my French curve. Now I will calculate the waist circumference plus 1 inch for ease divided by 4, which is equal to 21 plus 1 all over 4. It gave me 5.5 inches. I will now measure and mark 5.5 inches on the waistline, starting from the center back and the center front respectively. I will now connect the points to the armhole like this. I connect the points to the lower part of the armhole like this for both the back and the front. What I will do now is to go ahead and add 1 inch zip allowance to the center back of the back pattern. So this is what the front and the back patterns look like. So that's it guys, we are done. Stay tuned for my next tutorial where I'll be using this basic bodice pattern to make a ball gown for a little girl. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you for watching.